there, and I've just been told that you guys have to bring the house down with the cheering and the screaming and get it as loud as you possibly can. This is all just measuring up, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, if you have the cameras ready, good time to get a picture right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, are we ready with a 3, 2, 1? Everybody, let's count together. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Massive cheer for Slingshot! You want to see what